evenly on both the sides. Approximately it will take like 10 minutes. Now it's perfectly cooked. Let's serve this sherry fish fry. This is a perfect dinner for those who following LCHF keto diet. Have this fish fry with your favorite healthy salad. Do try it at home and do put your comments below. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Do like, do share and do subscribe to my channel. We'll see you soon with more such videos. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.